from the Lakeside Newsroom of the Henrico Citizen, your hometown news source since 2001. This is the Henrico News Minute with publisher Tom Lapis.
Henrico Schools officials expand the school system's winter meal program, and land at a historic site in Henrico will be preserved. We'll tell you about those stories and more in today's Henrico News Minute. It's Thursday, December 19th, 2024. We're going up to a high of 55 today. Should be mostly sunny. Today's News Minute is brought to you by DJ's Auto Details.
And now for the news.
Henrico County Public Schools will distribute about 400 additional meal packages to families after the division's winter meal sign-up launched last month was halted due to overwhelming demand. The additional meals will be provided to families directly identified by the school system's Family and Community Engagement Team as those needing support. That team worked with school counselors, social workers, and other staffers to identify and reach out to those families. The initial winter meals sign-up launched on November 19th in partnership with the Henrico Community Food Bank, allowed 500 families to receive meal packages during the period that the school system will be closed for winter break, but those 500 spots were gone within less than an hour of the sign-up being posted. It originally was anticipated to be open for a week. Virginia's Land Conservation Foundation is awarding almost $14.5 million in funding to help conserve more than 11,200 acres throughout Virginia. The 28 funded projects, including one in Henrico, include plans for new parks, conservation easements to protect working timberland and farmland, as well as land acquisitions by Virginia's tribal nations for the coming fiscal year 2025. Henrico County will receive more than $270,000 from the organization to support the Capital Region Land Conservancy's Seven Pines at Broadwater Creek project, which aims to conserve a 24-acre forest that contains habitat for a rare plant species and is located within the core battlefield area of the Battle of Seven Pines. Congresswoman Jennifer McClellan of Virginia's 4th District, which includes eastern Henrico, is urging Congress to extend the authority for states to replace stolen Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program, or SNAP, benefits. SNAP theft has been steadily increasing every quarter this year, reaching a peak in the third quarter with more than 100,000 new incidents, according to federal data. Last month, McClellan's district experienced a particularly alarming spike, with reported cases of benefit theft skyrocketing by 2,000%. Now, states currently can use federal funds to replace SNAP benefits that have been stolen through various methods like card skimming and cloning, but the authority to do so is set to expire tomorrow unless Congress acts to extend it. Tonight through Sunday, students from the Central Virginia Dance Academy will present the Nutcracker at the Cultural Arts Center at Glen Allen. Tickets are $21. Showtimes are 6:30 p.m. tonight and tomorrow, and 2 and 6:30 p.m. on Saturday and Sunday. For details, you can visit centralvadance.com/Nutcracker. Today's Henrico News Minute has been brought to you by DJ's Auto Details. From gleaming exteriors to pristine interiors, they provide expert care to make your car shine like new. Trust them for quality, convenience, and unbeatable results. You can book today at djsautodetails.com or call them at 804-499-0674.